to Sativo Saturday. If you love Negronis, instead of using gin, we're gonna use our El Sativo award-winning Blanco. It's delicious. Check it out.
Hi, I'm Catherine, and today we're gonna be making a double gold Negroni. Start with half an ounce of Suze, 3/4 ounce of Cocci Americano, 1/4 ounce of Punt. And lastly, 1 3/4 ounce of El Sativo tequila. Next, we're gonna add some ice and give it a nice stir. Large ice cube to your glass. Strain your drink over the ice. Garnish with orange oils. Enjoy!